Hello there, if you're new around here, my name is Kieran and welcome to my channel. I'm a passionate travel photographer with a dream of converting a van into a camper to escape the rat race and travel all around Europe and beyond. In July of 2022, that dream became a reality and I'm in the process of converting my very own camper van. Oh, and did I mention, I'm doing it with no experience whatsoever. So join me in this episode of self-converting a camper with no experience, and don't forget to subscribe. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this. Welcome to another episode of converting this camper van. Today we have set ourselves quite a big challenge of building a fake wall. We're going to have a fake wall along this side because this is where the main kitchen area is going to be. Building a over the head shelf, hopefully. Building a half height wall with a window, or there is going to be a window there in the end, and then if we do have a good day, start building the bed frame. So like I said, it's going to be a big challenge. I'm just going to wing it at this point, but we'll see how we get on. So let's get straight into it, shall we? We have the first upright in. I'm going to copy the same for that side, and then I think we're going to start with that side of the wall, and then we're going to put a bit of batten across that way. So you've got the half height, and then hopefully the what's it called? Shelf. It's a shelf. But yeah, let's get the other one done and see where we're at. So far, so good, I think. Got the main frame in, and I'm going to reinforce the bottom bit to make it a bit stronger. But as you can see, this is where the switch panel's going to be. Like, it's finally taken shape, and you can kind of have an idea of where things are going to be. So there's going to be a switch panel there. This side's going to be empty. But here we're going to have a little window. There's always a bit of a divide as to whether to keep it open cab or close off the front to the back. I'm going to go with closing off the front to the back. Yeah, sacrifice a little bit of space, but there's pros and cons to it all. But the reason I'm putting a window in here is so that if I'm sleeping or I'm in the back and I need to drive off in a rush, or there's someone dodgy outside, anything like that, I can just climb through here and get to the driver's seat without actually having to leave the vehicle. This is all going to be plied, so when it get the ply up, this is going to be a little neater. I'm going to route around it just to make it a nice looking window. But yeah, it's taking shape. So we're going to strengthen the bottom bits. Oh, and these lights. These are the I don't know if you can really see, but there's two lights at the bottom, which are the lights that when you open the doors, they automatically turn on. I am going to be changing them lights to LED lights, and I'm going to reroute them and have them So they're on this wall somewhere. This one can be down low, that's not a problem. This one I'm thinking about taking the wiring out and having it up high, just to make it a little bit easier, a little more aesthetically pleasing. But yeah, we're going to reinforce the bottom bit now, and then we're going to maybe, hopefully, continue with the shelf. It's not going to be a very big shelf or a very open, like, yeah, not very big shelf, but it's still going to be a shelf for storage at the end of the day, and that's the main thing. So reinforce the bottom and then focus on the shelf bit, and then after that figure out what I'm doing with this bit, this fake wall. But yeah, let's get to it. I think the majority of that's built. I need to do a little bit at the top, but when it's finished I'm going to get some ply and then ply it, or maybe clad, since I'm cladding the rest of it. But there is going to be ply on the inside and that side as well, and then I'm just going to get a grey carpet liner and to put over the ply, so it just looks like a normal cab basically. But yeah, I'm going to quickly whip up a bit up there and connect it all, and then I believe that part is done. I might drill through there to bring the wires through, but we'll see. But yeah, it's coming along all right, I think. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see, but I've just pulled the wires around the back of that frame to bring them into the shelf here, and then I'm just going to drill, maybe today, maybe at a later date, drill holes in here and then feed the cables through to have the switch panel here. This, I've actually got quite a lot of excess wiring on, so again, going to drill that through, have the router there as well, and also the control panel for the diesel heater we're going to be getting is going to go here as well. So yeah, that's in place, ready to go through. I think this is all ready. Like I say, I'm going to be plying it, so it's going to go ply on, little cupboard there, lots of storage space, and then yeah, I think that's that part done. I think I'm going to start on that wall there. I think that's going to be the more challenging one, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I want to reinforce this bit, so I think what I'm going to do is make these up just to connect them together. Hopefully it'll give it a little bit more of a fighting chance, even though it won't need a fighting chance because this wall's going to be strong. It's going to be stronger than Hadrian's wall. Okay, I think we're nearly done with the fake wall. It's looking good. I'm going to put a couple more horizontal runs, hopefully manage to screw them into the actual framework of the van, and then I think touch wood, literally, that is it done. Not too sure, but it don't look too bad. But yeah, it's annoying having to pre-drill every hole you go to drill, because this batten is so renowned for splitting, just like any wood splits if you don't pre-drill it, especially close to the edges like up here. But yeah, we're going to get another couple runs on, and then that may potentially be it. We'll see. I think that is the end of today's episode. Again, I'm absolutely chuffed of myself because woodworking, working with wood, all that wood, I'm not very good with. I'm a plumber, I deal with pipes, not wood. But, that being said, I am bloody proud of myself for this. So, yeah, this is the fake wall that I've been saying about ever since we got the van. Gonna have the hob and the sink here somewhere, and then these cables, which is the hob, the lights, and a USB, I believe. Gonna bring them down here somewhere, maybe a strip light above here, hob somewhere, and then this side, like I said earlier, switch panels here, Wi-Fi router, and diesel heater control panel here. This light, once the ply's up, we are going to ply it and clad it. Maybe just clad it, I don't know, we'll see. This light's going to come up here somewhere. We've got plenty of cable to deal with. Yeah, going to have a LED light there and an LED light down there. And then the shelf's going to be up here, just a little one. Once I ply it, it's going to look like a normal overhead cabin inside. And then, of course, the little window to fit through. So, with that being said, thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, give us a little thumbs up, because every weekend we are making tons of progress. So yeah, give us a little thumbs up. If you are new, subscribe, hit that little subscribe button. And yeah, I think next episode we are going to focus on building the bed. And then once the bed's in, I actually do need more batten, because although I've got a few lengths left, they're all mouldy, which we don't want. So I do need some more batten. Going to build the bed, batten out the rest of the van, and then ready ourselves to insulate it. And hopefully once it's insulated, put the vapor barrier over, and then we can start closing it up. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Peace out.